This video will show you how to replace the front wiper blades on a Subaru Outback. These will be mounted along the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now you do have two wiper blades and the process for one will be the same as the other. We're going to start on the driver's side. Go ahead and lift up on the wiper arm. You're going to find that the wiper arm has spring pressure, forcing it back down towards the windshield. So of course we want to be extremely careful that the wiper arm does not fall down and hit the windshield. Continuing on, you need to go ahead and lift on that wiper blade. It has a small adapter with a locking tab right under here. Squeeze that upward and then pull this out of place. Continuing on, we're just going to rest that wiper arm down on the windshield as careful as possible. And there it is, friend. Get this one on here as well. Audible click, rest it on the windshield. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you want to do is hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality of your wiper blades. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.